right, back here with Potential Pantry, Clark Barlow. Latusia is the ingredient that we're looking at right now. Latusia is a wild lettuce. Little hairs along the spine of this right here. And again, we see the similarities between it and the common dandelion that we were seeing in a previous video. Now, Latusia is one of those ingredients. You'll see Latusia milk, and this is L-A-T-U-C-A, Latusia. You'll see this called wild lettuce, and you'll see Latusia milk being sold as a medicinal. Again, these aren't peer-reviewed studies. This is medicinal health benefits to wild ingredients. So do your own research, see what you want to consume, and then enjoy at your own. Latusia though, fantastic wild ingredient. This could be eaten as a salad green just like it is right now. It can also be cooked and utilized as a cooked green similar to collards or kale. And you're really gonna notice that strong bitter flavor to this. So I would really enjoy this from a maybe more of a cooked green standpoint, in the same way that I would utilize collards, where I would hit it with a little bit of acid and maybe a little bit of heat from some chili pepper flakes. That would be the way to utilize this ingredient. Fantastic wild ingredient, Latusia. So get out there and enjoy some Latusia or some wild lettuce that you're gonna find in your front yard.